Hey, welcome to the Outdoor Outpost. I'm Judah.
And I'm Ben.
And as you'll see, we are not in our home base. We're here on an island in the beautiful state of New Hampshire. And we're gonna camp here for 3 days and 2 nights.
Came here in a canoe. So we're kind of literally just on an island away from everyone else.
Tell them about what we're going to be doing today.
Today we're going to be doing some catch and cook.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. There's a lot of bass in the area, so we hope to get some small or largemouth bass. If not, we did bring some dried food, but we're really hoping on that fish.
Yep. We'll also be testing out some gear I forged. Made a kukri. There's a shovel that way for stuff. So yeah. Let me give you a little tour of what we've done so far. So, this is our sleeping arrangement. We have the rain flies on the ground that we haven't set up yet. So that's our sleeping arrangement. We got 2 hammocks. If you come back here, see this beautiful island. Yep. We'll probably set a fire up over there by that rock, and we'll do some fishing on this beautiful lake. Try to explore out into the waters, but we thought, well, while we're here, we might as well cast a little bit. So here we go. We got these alien worms. They're real worms, but they're green. I'd never seen them before. Oh, see that? Yep.
Oh, yep.
Yep. So
fishing.
Happy fishing, I guess. And we can
check back in a second.
We'll just cut to when we catch them. Hey guys, so we are back on the island. We were out for about 3 hours. We didn't get much luck. Actually, we had no luck. We didn't catch anything. So we're back on the island. We're gonna cast from the shore here. Yeah, a little discouraged, but you know, the day is still young. There has to be some fish in here. There has to be.
Oh, there is.
There is.
Without a doubt, there's fish in here.
We just gotta find them.
Yep. All right, guys. As you can see, I got a bunch of rocks here that I brought up from the shore. So I'm gonna be building a fire pit over in the back. Judah's cutting some wood with the kukri he made. We haven't had much luck catching fish, but it's mainly bass in this area, so we hope to have more luck when the sun starts to set. But if not, we'll have to settle for dried spaghetti until tomorrow. Dried spaghetti!
This wood is very, very hard.
You surprised?
Well, it's driftwood, so. Didn't even break where I was dropping.
Now we don't need the fire pit too big, but at least big enough to use this bush grill that I have. A little area right here. Put pots and eventually fish on.
Lord willing.
waiting.
Yep. There's actually plenty of wood over here.
Yep. So you dig it out a bit, and then it's going to be done.
With the hand-forged trowel that I made. What did I say? Trowel?
Yeah, you said trowel.
The hand-forged trowel.
So as you can see, the fire pit is done. We just collected some more firewood too. And Judah lost his hat in the water. Got it back now.
I got it.
Let's see, some of it's still wet. Yep. It's waxed canvas though, right?
Yep.
That's good. At least it's waxed. So this fire pit is definitely good. Should be enough wood for us tonight and tomorrow morning, maybe into the afternoon, depending on how long we let it go and what we do. Because as of right now, we're not catching any fish. Again, once it gets darker, we're gonna go out in the canoe. We're gonna try again, and I'm willing to bet we'll get some bites. I hope so, at least. Night fishing! But all is going well.
Just starting the fire here, batoning some smaller pieces, and for some reason there's just wads of birch bark all over the place, which is very convenient for us. So where did that go? So I'm just gonna bring you guys over. So you can see our fire pit right here. See how close I can get you without. Perfect. Just gonna start by laying down some birch bark on the dirt. Some of this going. That's weird. It's still the birch bark is still connected. Like it's just a ring of birch bark. Strange. Very strange. Just gonna get degree. You can see I got some cut up there. Put that down there. I guess that works okay. Grab the fire. Steel. Grab the fire. Yeah, I know. This isn't my first rodeo.
Water.
There we go. Oh, there we don't go. There we go. No, come on. Need to get a piece of bark to catch. Ugh. Just gonna start to there we go. Just broke up some more birch bark here. Throw that down. go. And we have a lot of dead, really dry, like bush type material. We're using more birch bark than we usually would just because there's so much of it. Might as well. Also, it's just going to make this a lot easier. All right. Nice fire.
Filming. Get her out.
Oh, it's heavy.
Oh,
It's heavy.
it's a big boy. It's a big.
Yo, grab the line.
Dude, give me the rod.
Oh,
Look at that!
look at
I'm
that!
holding the camera sideways. Hold it up. Hold it up from the gill.
Get it. I'm gonna get away from it. If it gets on.
Dude, hold it up by the gill. That's your best.
I don't want it. You do it. I don't want to.
Oh my god. Yo! Open them gills, boy!
And we got our fish!
Look at that!
Here, let me.
You gotta do it. I'll take a picture on my phone after this too.
Does
Dude.
it hurt?
No, it's
Alright,
just
okay.
it's a little bit spiky. Not like hurt spiky though. It's just slimy and gritty. Dude, you gotta be careful. It's barely hooked.
I got
To catch that big fish with that tiny hook.
it. Yeah, dude.
Look at that! Professional!
This is our dinner tonight!
Yes!
Alright, let's bring it up.
Dude!
Dude, look at the size of this little hook.
That's what I was saying, dude. It was barely hooked and I'm shocked.
Oh, it's hooked in there good. Alright, let's go eat
I'll get it out, I'll get it out.
Well, guys, very exciting. We caught a bass, or I caught a bass, and Ben is over there fishing right now, hoping to get another one. I've taken all the scales off of it. We found this beautifully flat rock, which is perfect. So yeah, we're gonna season it up, and we're gonna cook this thing. So, yes! All right, so just gonna start seasoning this bad boy. I got the fire going again. Lovely mix of spices that Ben has put together. Unfortunately, I forgot the lemon at home. My fault completely. But we have a paprika, pepper, and salt. We got some parsley. We have garlic powder. Garlic, yep. Onion and salt. So, of course, we're gonna start with some salt. Grab some pinches. Is this salt? Yeah, salt. Get it in there. And season that up. Paprika is like my all-time favorite spice, so I'm gonna get some of that as well. There isn't much of each one, but it's sustainable, I guess. Some of that in there. All right. Perfect. And what else? What else? Oh, I got paprika. I have a cut on my finger and I got paprika in it. Ouch. salt, paprika, and I'm gonna put some onion on there as well. Now we're cooking this whole. If we get another fish, which we probably will, we're gonna fillet it. All right, perfect. And that is all. So I have a very nice stick right here, and we are going to push this straight through, or at least try to. There we go. Just like that. Cook it right over the fire. Right there. Put this there. Beautiful. So, this is the arrangement we have. And yeah, we're just gonna let it cook. Bye. Alright guys, so the fish has been cooking for a couple minutes. I'm just gonna cut a little piece off and see how it tastes. Just that little corner. Now, I've never had bass before. Don't worry, I have a sharpening stone, so I will sharpen that profusely. Put that right back on there. Beautiful. And it's actually spectacular. It's like not fishy at all, but it tastes really good. It's like chicken. Not really like chicken, but it's good. Nice. It's gonna be a good dinner. All right, so fish is done. Just doing some light carving here. How's it taste, Ben?
It tastes really good.
Good. It's a little fishy for my taste, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat it anyways.
It's not bad. It smells fishier than it tastes.
Yeah, it's true. But this is probably gonna be the last segment for tonight because it's getting dark. So I think this is where we're gonna leave you for tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Bye.
Good night. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to cut this trip short. It's supposed to have thunderstorms. They start at 12. So we're packing up. We're getting out of here. It's 6 in the morning, and it's dark out. There's just clouds covering the entire sky, and
it's an hour canoe ride. We really don't want to
we don't want to be stranded on an island with severe thunderstorms. We don't have the equipment for that right now.
Don't want to be on a canoe in the middle of the water in severe thunderstorms.
And my hammock broke last night. It just ripped right open. So I don't have a place up off the ground. I slept in the canoe last night. So yeah.
We're gonna have more videos coming though once we're better equipped. Once we have
exactly.
We come on another trip when the weather's feeling better.
We actually have a camera now, so we can film more content.
Yep.
So yeah, thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Bye. Guys, so unfortunately we're gonna have to cut this ship.
Why is it recording?
Fuck you! Hold on, I'm gonna turn it towards this way a little more.
Yeah. Why are you still recording?